As you can see, we have a present here. It's a present for me. It's also a present for you, but Santa personally delivered this gift to me today, and I want to share with you guys what Santa got me. Oh my God. I am so freaking excited. Let's open her up. Hello Internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you're new here, and today we are going to be opening up the iPhone Air. I know this is a little bit scandalous because recently in September you saw me open up the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I'm just gonna say that me and this phone, we're not exactly best friends. We're not exactly buddies. We're not exactly soulmates. We're not besties for the besties. It's a good phone, but my eyes have been on this Air for forever. So basically, this is going to be the personal phone. This is going to be the content phone. You know, one of the reasons why I decided to get this phone is because this is kind of like a Honda. It's reliable, it's good, it feels like a good car, but then you see a Mercedes-Benz driving down the street and you realize, I want the Mercedes-Benz, I do not want the Honda anymore. And also, let's just be real here, I really miss having a black iPhone. By the way, this is the space black iPhone Air in 256 gigabytes. And honestly, I am taking one for the team with Miss iPhone Air because everyone is hating her on the internet. They are destroying her, and I'm gonna give her a chance, okay? I'm gonna tell you all the good about this phone. We're gonna spread the gospel that is the iPhone Air. We have the aesthetic pull tabs, which we're going to do. That sound never gets old. Now we're going to do this. Oh. We're just going to ignore that. Lift. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Y'all can look at her first. Y'all can look at her first. Here it is. And oh my God, this is so weird how the fact that literally is showing us the face. It's showing us the face card first. It's not showing us the body. Y'all, I'm so excited. So here it is. I am so freaking happy. This is me as a phone, okay? I missed having a black phone so much. This is beautiful. This is a piece of jewelry. Look at the sides. Look at those sides. Oh my God. Oh, she feels great in the hands. This like literally doesn't feel like having a phone in your hands. Okay, I feel this Pro Max in my hand. Like I always feel it. This feels like there's nothing in your hand. It feels like I'm holding air, so the name is correct. So that's how they look different wise. Like this is it. So there's this. You have your cable right here, and then you have your iPhone pill right there. And that's all in the box. That's it. You don't get anything else. So we are going to be replacing this phone, Air. It's, you know what? Just let me live my life, okay? Let me live my life. Have her first breaths on camera. Why am I so excited? I am way more excited for this phone than I was for the iPhone Pro Max. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, bestie. Hi, best friend. Swipe up to get started. And we do speak English. We do live in the United States. Now we're gonna do quick start. So again, I'm gonna move my phone close to each other so they can connect. And we gotta do this. We gotta do the little thing. Anyways, we're just gonna do this. Then we're gonna set up for me. So I'm gonna kind of just set this phone up really quickly because y'all know how to set up a phone. I don't really need to talk to you guys through the steps of doing that. I have to record the Face ID process. I always have to. I just love doing the Face ID scan. Now Face ID is set up, cool beans. So we're going to transfer my data. Oh, we'll probably do it from iCloud, I think. She's just beautiful. So let's give her kind of a little bit of a moment to shine. Here is the space black iPhone Air. Look at that. That's literally Ozempic right there. This is our Ozempic skinny queen here in the flesh. Literally is peak iPhone to me because it just feels so iPhone. This feels like an iPhone 6, which is actually crazy. And this is actually thinner than an iPhone 6 too. I can't because this is me. Like we are like one. Guys, she's ready. She's ready to be born. She's ready to go in the universe and she's warm. She's warm, but we're going to do swipe up and restore complete. Okay, welcome, let's get started. And we're here, we're in the phone and I'm very excited. Okay, y'all just like look at this. Look at this gorgeous beauty right here. My room is pretty dark right now, so I'm probably not gonna be able to get that many aesthetically pleasing shots right now. But this is absolutely just brilliant. So I think one thing we should do is we should try out the speaker on here because people don't really like the speaker. So we're gonna test that. Okay, yeah, it's definitely not as like loud, but it's not bad. This doesn't sound that bad. So, I mean, it's quieter. It's definitely quieter than the Pro Max, but like, it's not like a deal breaker to me. I mean, I feel like if I were to watch a video, I'd probably be a little bit annoyed by that because I'd hear it come out from one side. Now the camera, we only have 2 focal lengths for the camera. We got this one and then we got 2x and that's all you have. But again, for me personally, I'm gonna have this one for all my video taking needs and stuff. But I mean, at least you got the really, really good front facing camera. To be honest, it's very hard to tell. It also could be because I have different settings on both phones. If I'm mistaken, I think I like the Air more. I'm gonna have to play around with this and test this and everything like that. Alright guys, that was it for my iPhone Air unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for watching this channel this year. I really do appreciate it. Hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holidays. This was my Christmas gift to myself and I'm very excited about that. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Air, 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 air.